night, well, this evening. It's night, it's late, but I'm finally getting around to opening up my Grove order, and I placed this order, honestly. I just got an order in a couple of weeks ago, but I found some new Caldrea scents that I wanted to try out, so I kind of ordered again. I have a shopping problem, and I love products, and if I see something new out, if I really like it, I want to buy more of it. And actually in the corner I have like a bunch of Grove boxes, and it's kind of sad. But anywho, let's get into opening it, because although I just placed the order a few days ago, honestly cannot remember what I even got. I do know it's Caldrea, and it may all be Caldrea, I don't know, but we'll get right into it and see. Always, they'll give you, making sure none of my personal information's on here, but they always give you like a little list of things that you ordered here. So just telling you the quantity and exactly what you got. Bubble packaging, just to keep your products from moving around, breaking on you if you have anything that's in there that will break. And I know sometimes plastic bottles, if they're hit just right, they will crack. So I do appreciate the way that Grove packs their product about their customers as well, because it keeps me coming back, because I'm just like, I really, really, truly appreciate that it's just not all thrown around in there and spilling and whatnot. They even put tape around the bottles, which I find pretty clever, to also keep the little spray bottles and such from spraying or spilling before you even have a chance to use them. Method. It's the Method Power Dish dishwasher detergent packs. Never tried this before. I am quite familiar with the Method brand because I've been using it for some time now, for actually a few years now. Had no idea they had as many fragrances sent out as they do, because I was only introduced to it through Target when I lived in North Carolina, and that's the first time I've ever seen it. And I only liked it because I thought the packaging was really cool. I know I'm so weird like that, but you know, packaging is everything, and it really attracts me a lot. So very good. But you know, places like Target, Walmart, and other places that sell these products, you know, they're kind of limited to only certain scents. I find that dealing with places like Grove, so I'm gonna pull a lot more varieties in their scents, and also more cleaning products other than dishwashing liquid and hand soap, because that's all I ever knew about. Moved here, happened to go around looking for cleaning products, and I was like, oh my gosh, they have a surface spray. So I was like, brought in my horizon there. I'm like, oh wow, this is cool. And I'm the type of person that everything has to match. So then I found out about Grove via YouTube. So thank you all you YouTubers out there, Clean With Me mamas, that were promoting Grove, because you guys really turned me on to it. And that's when I found out, oh my God, you can get so much more with the Mrs. Meyer's Method, so forth and so on. And oh my goodness, my husband probably hates me for it, but you know, whatever. Makes a girl happy. I like cleaning products. Just, I don't know, I'm weird. I was cleaning with this Caldrea. Oh my goodness, it smelled good. About an hour or so after I used it, I mean, you could still smell it in the air. And I remember my husband came home and was like, hey, how's the house smell? He's like, it smells really good. What is that? And I had to show him, like, his Caldrea. He's like, don't buy anything else, get that. So hey, if my husband is liking it, I'm sure your husbands will as well, or your significant others will probably feel the same. But this is what I was talking about. Like, these bottles, they come with this really cool little tape here, and it's kind of keep everything in place from not spilling, and I really truly appreciate that. But this is the Caldrea Lavender Cedar Leaf. This is, oh, the tape is covering up. This is the countertop spray. Yeah, and it is 16 fluid ounces, and I've never smelled this before, and I'm actually pretty excited about using it, but I can't use it just yet, I don't think. And being who I am, I had to buy the whole set. So, dishwashing liquids, same scent, lavender, cedar leaf. I just have a thing that everything has to match. I've always been that way. I know it's pretty excessive, but I have to open this because I gotta know how this smells. I'm so curious. Oh, you guys, this smells really good. Right, but it's still strong enough that you can smell it, but light enough where it's not overpowering. I'm gonna give you a massive headache because I know a lot of people are very sensitive to that with different smells and fragrances, that anything that's too strong or perfumey, they just kind of seems to irritate them, major headaches and things like that. I've never suffered from that because I love fragrances, perfumes, body sprays, the whole nine, especially around, you know, sprays for the house and plug-ins and candles. I'm just a junkie that way, and I love smelling really great smelling things. And the stronger for me, the better, because I want to know that I sprayed it. But it's strong enough to know that it's there, but not too strong that it's gonna be just thing, which is probably why I should. Caldrea Lavender Cedar Leaf hand lotion, and I was supposed to have gotten a hand soap too. I don't know, I'm gonna have to check the website. I know that there are times that if they're out of a product, they will not charge your card or they will reimburse you, and they'll leave it on your next order. However they do it, they leave it on your list. They don't delete it. They just don't charge you for it. It will be in your next shipment. It could be something like that. They did send me a bunch of emails, but I don't always check them. I only check to see delivered, and I'm totally cool with that. I don't check the fine print to say, hey, we were out of something. So until I open it up, and I'm just like I'm feeling right now, I'm not too happy about my Grove order because I don't have my hands so. The next thing I got was the matching, what is this? Matching room spray. Oh my goodness. And I do apologize, I wasn't showing you guys the label there, but you guys can see that if it will focus a little better. But yes, this is the linen and room spray. So this is good for upholstery as well as the air. So this is really great. Again, if any pet parents out there or little toddlers or whatever. But yeah, this, actually I've never used it, so I can't really vouch for it, but I have heard really good reviews about their aroma, their spray here. So I'm hoping that it lives up to all the hype, because again, I've heard nothing but really great things about it. Parched. Love their cups. And then, last but not least, love Mrs. Meyer's. And that is always my go-to. And the last time I did an order, which was a bigger one, and I regret I didn't record that unboxing, because it was probably a lot more interesting and a lot more longer than this video is going to be, because this is the last product. But I had found the Bluebell scent in their dishwashing liquid. And of course, you know, your girl has the whole set, the dishwashing liquid, the hand lotion, and the surface spray. Got it all. And I really fell in love with this Bluebell scent that I had to get another bottle. I did order 2 originally because I learned my lesson that 1 bottle of dishwashing liquid is not going to carry me over to my next order. So what I started doing is just getting the entire set, because I love it, but I get 2 of the dishwashing liquids because that is what I seem to run out the fastest. Because I am a little heavy-handed when it comes to products, even with my hair products, body lotion, whatever the case is. I am, even detergents, washing my clothes, I am super heavy-handed. And I probably should be a little more frugal than what I am, because, you know, if I would use the amount that they say that you should, it probably would take me a lot longer than what things do. However, I am heavy-handed. It is what it is. Another fallback, I still have Mrs. Meyer and Method products from the holidays. I still have their apple cider, brand new. It came in, but we were kind of done with that, and we were moving on to our the peppermint fragrances. That was for like Christmas, and now I have that left over, and I still have the what was it, the pumpkin So I have all of these. So I am pretty much set for the holidays. Like, I have a jump start on it. So instead of sitting back having to wait for this stuff to happen to come back on the market, I already have it. So just sit back and look at my face and say, oh, I already have it. I got it from last year. You have to wait for it to come back out. But anywho, that is all that I have. My little box is empty. And again, like, this is probably the smallest Grove box that I have ever received since I've been dealing with them. And I've only been with them since, I've been a member since probably September. And I tell you what, I have zero complaints. I have never been let down other than just my laziness, not checking my emails to see whether or not I'm actually going to get everything that I ordered. But you know, even if I don't get it in this order, it will be on the next order. Grove is a wonderful company that provides cleaning products that are natural. They're chemical free. I clean all the time, and I find that they're not having any flare-ups with asthma or anything like that when I use these products. And also, there's no more excuse saying, oh, I can't clean the bathroom because the chemicals are too strong and I'm going to have an asthma attack, or I'm not going to be able to breathe. All of these things are natural. Clean away. Give them a sponge, give them this, and say, go have at it. So yeah, that stops that argument right before there even is an argument. Everything is safe here. So hope you enjoyed my channel. If you did like what you see, please subscribe, share this video, give it a big thumbs up if you like it. And if you have any questions or want to know about Grove, I will leave my link in the description box below, my code that for anybody who's new to Grove, you can get a free set. And if I'm not mistaken, they probably even still give you the little tray. I know they were providing that when I first signed up. I think I got everything free and the tray, or it was the Pell. I'm not sure, whichever, just read it. But just know that your first order is going to be free. So yeah, share, subscribe, leave a thumbs up, comment. Anything else you might be interested in seeing me do or talk about, go ahead and leave it down in the comments below and I'll be sure to respond.